Hello everyone, welcome back. In this today's tutorial we are going to demonstrate how you can create course in your Moodle site and how you can add quiz inside that course so that you can assess or evaluate your course participant. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, log into your Moodle site. You have to log in with your administrator account. So you have to log in using your administrator, teacher or manager account so that you can add course or manage course and various activity for the student or participant. So I am in my administrator account, and don't forget to click on this edit mode on so that you can edit the course. So I can add activity or resource, or I can directly add courses. So let us create course. So for that you have to go to site administration, courses. Here you can add new course. So here I am demo course. I am writing down demo course. You have to identify the course category, and even you can customize the start and end date. You can write down the description as well, and you can have a course image. So you should have some kind of image that can be used for the thumbnail. From here you can select various format: layout, list layout or card layout. The appearance, you can customize the file size upload. So if this file size is more space will be utilized, more storage space will be utilized. You can create group and you can add the tag. Suppose this is the general. Alright, save and return. Alright, so we have this on the home page. We have this demo course and its thumbnail and created by the teacher and his or her name. Then in this demo course you can carry out adding various activities. So this is kind of you can add the announcement in the course, and suppose I am adding this activity, quiz activity. So you can select various format from here, or you can use interactive content using H5P plugin, which is very wonderful and interesting plugin having lot of functionality and options available. But today I am going to demonstrate this quiz, how to add quiz. So let us name it as a demo quiz. Description you can leave blank or you can add some description. So and you can choose whether you want to display it or not using this option. Okay, then you can decide regarding the timing, when you want to start the quiz and when you want to end, and you can also provide the time limit. Then time expired, what will happen, that you can also decide. Means if you want to submit all the assignment or the quiz that has been submitted automatically, or there is a grace period when open attempt can be submitted but no more question answered, or attempts must be submitted before time expire or they are not counted. These are the three options. I am keeping this as a submitted automatically. Then grade, this should be left blank until and unless you have specified grade. Attempts allowed, you can have 1, 2, 3, the number of attempts you can specify here. Layout, every 2 question on one page. Okay, question behavior, shuffle, within, yes, no. Then if you want to give feedback, review option, appearance. Okay, overall feedback you want to give. Suppose if someone is getting 100% mark, then what will the feedback? Then you can decide the grade boundary, and for the student who have got the less mark, you can have some kind of feedback. Common module setting, restrict access. Here you want to restrict or block some access to some participant. Activity completion, you can decide whether they can themselves mark the activity completed or show activity as complete when conditions are met. So which are the conditions? Student must view this activity, student must receive a grade to complete activity, student must receive a passing grade to complete the activity, or all available attempts completed. So these are the condition you can specify or identify, and you can specify the minimum number of attempts here. Expect completed you can enable from here. Again, you can have a tag like epidemiology or whatever tag you want to. Competency, no selection. So save and return to course. Alright, so in activity we have announcement, and now we have added this demo quiz. So once you click on this, then you have this empty quiz section. Now here you can add a question. So no question have been added. So to add question, you have to click on this add questions. So once you add questions, you will be jump to this questions module, and from here you can add question. Now you can keep open the shuffle option here, so that when the student attempt the quiz, the question will be shuffled, and a student will get the not the exact question, but the question number will be changed. Okay, so click on add, and you can add new question from question bank or random question. So if you don't have any question in the question bank, or you are creating quiz for some newer topics which has not been already covered, then you can try new question. Or if you are having already created some questions in the past and it has been stored in the question bank, then you can directly go to that question bank and you can choose from the already available question. And even you can choose this third option, random questions, when you can specify the category, and from that category you can choose number of question. There are 110 number of question available to choose, and if you specify add random question, then those question will be added. So this is it, guys. In the next video we will demonstrate in detail how to add these questions in this quiz format using this quiz module, having the multiple type of questions that is available inside the module. So I hope this has been easy, how you can create course module on your Moodle site and how you can add quiz inside that course module, so that you can assess or evaluate your course participant. See you in the next video. Bye bye.